So, how do we find buyers for our deals that we buy, subject to and offer with seller financing? Well, there's several different ways that you can do that. The first way and the easiest way is just to let people know the house is available, and you can do that two or three different ways. First of all, a really simple way to do it is look around for realtor signs that may be in the area that they've got a house listed. You can call Sally Realtor up and say, "Hey, Sally, I see that you've got a house listed over on Oak Street. We've got a house right around the corner, and we're looking for somebody to buy it. We're willing to sell or finance it. Have you talked to any people that are looking for something over here that weren't able to get qualified but have some money for a down payment?" Now, that's one good way to do it. And chances are, she's run into some people that couldn't qualify that maybe had something down. Of course, you can also list it on Zillow, like a lot of people do. You can also call mortgage brokers who have had people come in who have tried to get pre-qualified to buy a house and just couldn't quite do it, but they had money down. So offer to pay those guys a fee, and they'll probably send you some people to do that. But typically, if you're buying the right house, and that's going to be a house that's nice, that's not falling apart, that's in good condition, that's in a good area where people want to live, you won't have any trouble finding people who want to buy it from you.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.